Welcome back. It's your boy, Jay Singh, aka Gigabands, with the bands though. So today we got another video updating off the previous one, you know what I'm saying? Season 2. Oh my goodness. Season 1, episode 2 on the ticker symbol O. So we about to go ahead and get into it. So hope y'all can sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Yes, sir.
Hello?
What's up, man?
What's good?
Hey, you know what I'm saying? We back for another episode and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Episode 2, season 1 with the dividend investing. You know what I'm saying? What'd you say?
Yes.
Oh, boy, you sound, huh?
I say anything.
Nah, you just sound very low.
I do?
First and foremost, you know what I'm saying? I just want to point out that your boy, you know what I'm saying, got that cut. You got a haircut. I was saying out here looking clean.
Yeah, it was all for this episode.
It wasn't for this episode. Actually, yeah, go ahead and I know you put it out there on your social media and whatnot, but yeah, why'd you cut your hair, man?
Well, it was actually in order to save money. I did the math and I could save about $400 a year. And that came down to about $30 a month I could invest in other things. And that actually correlates to what we're doing here as well. I actually am able to invest $30 more into the investments we're doing today. So yeah.
So you spend about 30 something dollars a month.
Yeah, if you do it like that.
Yeah. You
Something like that. Yeah.
Nah, but hey, that's good stuff. So I know we first talked about, you started investing in what, $200 a month into Realty
Yep.
income. And what was it? How actually are you up or are you down right now?
I'm up. Yeah, I'm up 2%.
2%. 2%. Hey, it's better than no percent or being down. But yeah, my dividend journey. I went back and shout out to Dividend Freedom. I believe that's who he is. I actually watch him. Let me move this out the way. I actually watch him, just to not only get ideas for myself, but also, how can I better, build my portfolio. Tell me, where's this man at? I want to get the right info. Yeah, Dividend Freedom. Yeah, I watch his videos. But so your boy was making about what, 400 and something a month, which came out to be like 5,000 something a year on top of my day-to-day job. And I had to cut back everything, redo the math, re-edit my Excel spreadsheet, and make sure everything was good. So I actually took a big cut. So now I dropped everything, starting back from scratch. For the most part, so I'm still making, X amount from certain dividends that I already have. But yeah, I went from almost 500 to dang near, dropped down to 200 something. What was it? Dropped down to 206, making about 2,400 a month. I mean, not 2,400 a month, 2,400 a year. And so you got in O.
Yep. Oh,
let me see. Oh, dang, I can't even find it. I'm about to control F this joint. Oh my goodness. Realty income. Here we go. Realty income. So right now it's after hours now, but last trading price that I've got recorded is $70.90. So how many shares do you currently own of O right now?
says I own 3 shares.
Excuse me, you own 3 shares?
Yep.
Dang. That's what's up. That's what's up. Let me see. Let's see. Oh, and your dividend growth, 25 dividend growth. They've been growing for the last 25 years, making them, dividend aristocrats. They pay what, 25? Yeah, so what? You own 3 shares, so that's what? 75 cents?
Yep.
Which ain't bad, you know what I'm saying? Then you got the D.R.I.P, the Dividend Reinvestment Program activated, which go ahead and flow those dividends right back in. Have you got your first paycheck yet for now?
I don't think I did.
You got your first paycheck yet? You know what? You don't get paid out until the 15th of April, my bad.
Oh, yeah.
So, okay. Yeah, you'll see your first dividend check on April 15th. So what happened?
So it'd be 15th of every month then, right?
No.
Oh, it's just different.
So, they go ahead, they have an X dividend date, which is pretty much the day that you have to have, you want before the X date. And then they have the declare date. So they declare it pretty much the month before, which they declared to pay out dividends on the 15th of March. And then for you to get dividends, you have to own it before the 31st of March. You know what I'm saying? Because that's when they, tally all the shareholders, and then they, pay out. And then you won't see it until the 15th. So what is it? After, pretty much, you don't really see the dividends until after closing. Because I know when I usually get my dividends after market close at 1, Pacific Standard Time, it'd be 4:00 Eastern Time. So yeah, I don't usually see mine till almost 6. So pretty much 5 hours after market close. So for you, that would be what, 11? No.
9?
9.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, man. And then you said you up what, 3%?
Yes, it's
2%? 1%?
Yeah, 2%.
2%. Yeah. So, that dividend's good. Oh, like I said, dividend growth over the last 25 years. So hopefully, they keep doing it, keep doing what they're doing. And then eventually they can be dividend kings, which is 50 plus, man. Let's see their dividend history. Yeah, so they've been pretty consistent. They actually been going up. So last year, they was paying what, $24.65, and then January they're paying $24.65, and then February, and then March they upped it, but like, I guess you could say what, 0.0005. So now it's up $24.70, but I mean it rounds off to 25 cents. So good, that's good. You excited?
Of course.
Excited for the growth.
Yes, sir. Because I get 3 more shares when the market opens tomorrow. So, yep.
That's right. Oh, you got it. You got automatic investments, huh? Yeah, automatic investments. So you're going to automatically get that, dollar cost average. And then hopefully, you know what I'm saying? I mean, when you do that, the what is it? What am I trying to say? The automatic payments, it's gonna hit it where it hits it, man. So
yeah.
But I mean, like I said, always not that bad. I'm actually, I think me personally, I bought into SPY, which is the SP 500 ETF.
Oh.
Which is a collective of what I believe like 500 companies. Like, I think big companies. Let me double check, make sure my information is right. SP, oh, S&P 500, but whatever. Yeah. Okay. So the SP 500, the Standard & Poor's 500, or simply S&P 500, is a stock market index tracking the performance of 500 large companies listed on stock exchange in the United States. It is one of the most commonly followed equity indices. Indicates. I don't know what that word is. Oh man, but yeah. And then like over the last 5 years, it's been on that uptrend. So over the past 5 years, it's up 92, pretty much 93%. So, trying to ride that wave. Actually, let me see if I can share my screen. What's it? Screen 2. So move this here. So you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see it.
So yeah, it's been constantly, going up. And then if we go, so yeah, right now they're trading at what, $452, pretty much $53. And so me personally, I did the same thing you did. I got the recurring investment. So every month, dipping, putting in. And then eventually I'll own within 4 months, because I'm doing $100 a month. So within 4 months, your boy will be up there at a full 1 share. And then I'm gonna ride this wave. I'm gonna ride this wave because, like I said, it keeps going up. So, but yeah, man, is there any questions? Anything that you want to know? Trying to get your mind wrapped around before we bring this to a close.
No, I'm actually looking really good. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Yeah, I'm all good with that. Excited, get my more shares tomorrow.
Yep. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Like I've been saying, and like my dad said, starting off young, sacrificing, your 20s and 30s, you know what I'm saying? Keep investing. It's going to compile. And the next thing you know, put the amount that you put in along with the dividends. And eventually it's going to be a snowball effect. And next thing you know, those 3 shares, 6 shares, 9 shares, and then next thing you know, you're going to be up there. And then it's just going to take off. So yeah, man.
Real soon.
Yeah. I mean, you'll be surprised how, I wouldn't say fast, but you'll be surprised of it actually taking off and then actually seeing your stock grow. And then eventually, man, you're going to be doubling up. So like once you start getting back what you put in, that's 2 times right there. So next thing you know, man, it's just going to next thing you know, you be putting in, you be buying like what, 3 shares, and then they'll automatically, well, not automatically, but they're giving you enough dividends to automatically buy 3 shares. So now you're getting 6 shares. And then next thing you know, it'll be 6, and then you just keep doubling it. So you're always going to buy your 3 shares, and then boom, next thing you know, you be sitting at like 24 shares to be giving you back. And then, my goodness. And then we talked about it last time. How many, for you to get $50 back, you need, what was it, 20? I think it was 28 line 28. You need 200, pretty much 203 shares. 203 shares for you to get $50. And then 400 shares to get $100. And so forth and so forth. So yeah, man. Hey, like I said, I started mine over. I actually bought into myself again. And I'm at what, 0.7. So I'm not even at a full share right now. But once that money hits, then I'll be there right there with you. I'll be at a decent amount of shares.
Yeah.
I'll be tracking my dividends. So yes, sir. So
I like
yep.
Good.
Yep. So hey, I appreciate y'all coming down. I know this one's quick, short, simple, you know what I'm saying? But it's just a little update on what, dividend journey for my cousin. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hopefully, see you up there. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, you get thousands of dollars back in dividends. You know what I'm saying? And the next thing you know, man, hey, just be chilling. You can keep putting your 100 in there, and then whatever you want to do with that money, you know what I'm saying? Just be mindful. You can't touch your dividends for about half a year. Otherwise, you'll be taxed higher. So you want to wait about I would just say just wait a year. That way, your taxes will be lower, because if you pull out before that half year mark, then they're gonna tax you out the wazoo.
That'll be a long time down the road anyway, so we get on that one. Good.
Yeah, I got you, man. But hey, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, sweet, short, to the point. We gonna be back here, preferably every month.
Yeah, that will happen.
Keep tracking these dividends, and you know what I'm saying? See you guys at the top, you know what I'm saying? Dividend freedom, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to him, but yeah, it technically is dividend freedom, passive income. So, hey, if y'all like to see more stuff like this, holla at your boy in the next one. You good?
See you later. Peace.
All right, man.
I'm good.
Peace.